Present the commander-elect.
Eminent Commander, I have the honor to present Sir Knight James Handy, who has been elected to the office of Commander of this commandery.
Sir Knight Handy, as you have been elected to the honorable and important station of commander of this commandery, it is with genuine pleasure that I enter upon the duty of installing you into this exalted office. As the head of a Christian institution, you are charged with important duties and responsibilities. It's confidently anticipated that your fidelity with these trusts will reflect honor upon yourself and credit upon your commandery. It now becomes my duty to propound to you certain questions to which your unequivocal answers are required. Do you solemnly promise upon your honor as a Knight Templar that you will endeavor to correct vices, purify the morals, and promote the happiness of those of your brethren who obtain this magnanimous order? That you will never suffer your commandery to be open unless there be present at least 9 regular knights of the order? That you will not confer the orders upon anyone who has not attained a reasonable proficiency in masonry? That you will promote the general good of the order and on all proper occasions be ready to give and receive instructions, particularly from the grand officers? That to the utmost of your power you will preserve the solemnities in our ceremonies and behave in open commandery with the most profound respect and reverence, which is an example to our brethren. That you will not acknowledge or hold communication with any commandery that does not work under a constitutional dispensation or charter. That you will not admit any visitor into your commandery unless he has been knighted in a lawful commandery. You will pay due respect and obedience to the instructions of the grand officers, particularly those relating to the several lectures and charges, and will resign your station to them when they officially visit your commandery. And that you will bind your successor in office with the observance of these same rules. Do you confirm all of these promises, and do you faithfully observe and practice them? Sir Knight, you have been chosen by the members of your commandery to occupy the most exalted position which is in their power to bestow upon you. It's now my pleasure to present to you the jewel of your office. It's the Passion Cross, surmounted by rays of light. Those rays of light are emblems of hope, love, and pure benevolence, and emanate like rays from the religion of the blessed Emmanuel, which should ever characterize members of this Christian order. Which I will now eventually put onto your uniform. Present to you the charter of the commandery. Receive it as a sacred deposit and never permit it to be used for any purpose other than those expressed in it. It's your duty to safely transmit it to your successor. I also commit to your keeping the Holy Bible. The great light of masonry of every degree confirms our belief in the existence of the eternal Jehovah, the one and only living true God, creator and judge of all things in heaven and earth. The crossed swords resting upon the Holy Bible, that we should be strong in the Lord and the power of his might, that we should put on the whole armor of God and be able to wrestle successfully with principalities, powers, and spiritual wickedness in high places. Present to you the constitutions and statutes of the Grand Encampment of the Knights Templar of the United States of America, the laws and regulations of the Grand Commandery of the State of California, and the bylaws of your commandery. You should familiar yourself with them. You better improve yourself and the government of your commandery. Now, Sir Knight, permit me to conduct you to your station. I offer you my sincere congratulations on the ascension to this honorable station. It will be your special duty to preserve and violate the laws of our order, dispense justice, reward merit, encourage truth, and expound the sublime principles of universal benevolence. You will inculcate the duties of charity and hospitality, and govern this commandery with justice and moderation. Finally, my father, May the illustrious lives of the heroes of past ages whose matchless valor has shed undying luster over the name Knights Templar encourage and animate you to the faithful performance of every duty.
Commander, attention. Draw. Swords. Present swords.
Sir Knights, behold your eminent commander. Recollect, Sir Knights, that the prosperity of your commandery will much depend upon your support, assistance, and obedience, as on the diligence, fidelity, and wisdom of your commander. Be ye therefore attentive and faithful to the performance of your respective duties.
Commander, carry swords. Return. Swords. Be seated.
Sir Knight Marshal, you will present the officers chosen in order of their rank.
Eminent Commander, present to you Sir Knight Andy, who has been elected